The dairy filling and sealing machine comprises 3 core components: an inline aluminum foil cap maker, filling machine, and an aluminum foil heat sealer. The cap maker forms aluminum foil caps by stamping roll film online, requiring stable, fatigue-resistant operation, low failure rates, and regular, full cap formation. Due to its inline design, its speed must exceed the sealer's maximum working speed by over 20%. Equipped with 24 servo magnetic pump filling valves, filling error is precisely controlled within plus or minus 0.3%. The filling system features a high-efficiency CIP cleaning system and SIP 120 degrees Celsius sterilization, ensuring product hygiene and safety. Servo motors enable flexible multi-speed filling, boosting efficiency and preventing material splashing. The magnetic pump and servo motor use a non-mechanical connection, eliminating leakage from dynamic seal damage. The pneumatic valve discharge nozzle allows full process non-contact filling, enhancing cleanliness. Each head of the 18-head heat sealer independently controls heating temperature and sealing time, with multiple safety features. No startup if temperature is insufficient. Automatic bypass of uncapped bottles, and shutdown when consecutive uncapped bottles reach the set limit. The precise temperature control system and high-efficiency heating modules deliver strong compatibility and reliable durability, adapting to diverse production needs.